Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dear students. How are you? All are fine? Very good. I hope you all are fine and enjoy your online session. Okay, so today which period is going on? Subject Math. Math period is going on. In your previous video, we will learn the spelling of 11. What is the spelling of 11? E-L-E-V-E-N. Okay. In your previous video, we will learn the spelling of 11. So now we will write the spelling of 1 to 12. Okay. Before number 12, we will revise from 1 to 10 number names. Okay. So first we will revise from 1 to 10. Then write one page spelling of 1 to 12. First you take out your math notebook and write the heading number names. Number names. You have to revise the spelling from 1 to 10 daily. Okay, daily we will revise the spelling from 1 to 10. Number names from 1 to 10. The heading is number names from 1 to 10. Maths notebook, write down the heading. After heading, write number 1. Slipping line. What is the number name of number 1? O-N-E-1. Okay. O-N-E-1. Number 1. Write on your notebook. First write number 1, then make slipping line, then write O-N-E-1. After number 1, write number 2. What is the name of number 2? You tell me what is the name of number 2. T-W-O 2. This is for revision. Okay. Number 2, T-W-O 2. T-W-O 2. After number 2, write here number 3. What is the name of number 3? The name of number 3 is T-H-R-E-E. Write with me number names from 1 to 10. Okay. O-N-E-1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E-E 3. Return all the number names 1, 2, 3. Okay, after number 3, write here number 4, slipping line. The name of number 4 is F-O-U-R. 4. The name of number 4, F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. After number 4, write here number 5. Slipping line. Now tell me what is the name of number 5. TWO 2, THR double E 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5. Write from 1 to 5. Okay, I have no space. So I am right here. After number 5, which number will come? After number 5, number 6 will come. Write number 6, slipping line. Now what is the name of number 6? The name of number 6 is SIX. 6. Okay. The name of number 6 is SIX 6. Now after 6, which number will come? After number 6, number 7 will come. 7, slipping line. The name of number 7 is SEVEN. 7. This is number 7. After 7, which number will come? After 7, 8 will come. So the name of number 8 is EIGHT. 8. EIGHT 8. After 8, which number will come? After number 8, number 9 will come. What is the name of number 9? The name of number 9 is NINE. 9. After 9, number 10 will come. Right here 10, make slipping line. The name of number 10. Name of number 10 is TEN 10. So in your math notebook, write here number names from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. You have to write, okay? Daily, you write number names from 1 to 10. When your math period, you write numbers from 1 to 10 in one page, and on next page we'll write number 12. So return all the numbers. After this we will write the number 1 to 12. Write full page. One time we will revise all the names. Repeat after me all the number names. Okay, so start. ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 0, 10. So you write from 1 to 10. Okay. After this, now take out new page and write down the heading. Number name 12. Okay. Write number name 12. Take out new page, write down heading, number, name 1 to 12. Okay. Before write number 12, we will revise the spelling of 11. Okay. How many times? 5 times revise. Okay. E-L-E-V-E-N. E-L-E-V-E-N. What is the spelling of 11? Look here. Okay. Okay. So revise E-L-E-V-E-N. 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 So at home you revise like this. How many times? 5 times. 5 times revise the spelling of 1, 1, 11. After this, write the spelling of 1 to 12. On new page, write full page the spelling of 1 to 12. Start writing. All are ready for number 12? Okay. So write 1 to 12. Make slipping line. Now what is the name of number 12? Okay. So here we will write the name of number 12. Look here. First you look and then write T W E L V E 12. Number 1 to 12. Now drop one line. After one line, one more time write 1 to 12, slipping line, and write again number name 12. Okay, so the 12, number 12 is P W E L V E. Okay, 12. T W E L V E. Now drop one line. One more time, write 1 to 12, slipping line. Okay, so right here T W E L V E 12. T W E L V E. Number 12. Drop one line. Write again 1 to 12, slipping line. Right here T TWELVE. Right here, TWELVE. In your math notebook, you write full page the spelling of 12. Okay. Till the last. Okay, how to write? Write like this. Write in box. In one box, write one letter T, W, E, L, V, E. Okay, in one box, write one letter T, W, E, L, V, E. 12. At last, okay, 12. T, W, E, L, V, E. Number 12. Write full page TWELVE. After writing, we will revise the spelling. Okay. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. 6 times you write the spelling, then revise the spelling. Okay. So, repeat after me. All are written. Spelling of 12. Write fast. Okay, so you all are copy from the board. And now I am revise one more time spelling of 12. Okay. Figure out in your notebook. TWELVE 12. Okay. TWELVE 12. TWELVE 12. TWELVE 12. TWELVE 12. 1 to 12. TWELVE 12. Okay. So, like this you learn the spelling of number 11 and number 12. Write full page of number 11 and write full page number 12. 1 to 12. And learn also from 1 to 10 after number 11 and after number 12. Okay. So daily you will revise all the spelling and write all the spellings from 1 to 12. Okay. So now your period is over. Bye and have a nice day.